Hello everyone, my name is Priya and I welcome you all back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In the last video, we discussed about Article 43A, that is promotion of workers in management of industries. If you haven't seen that video yet, then the link is given in the description box. In today's video, we'll be discussing about Article 43B. As per the categorization of articles of dpsp, Article 43B comes under Gandhian Principles. Now, as you can see, it is written B. This means this article has been added later in the Constitution. This article was added by 97th Amendment Act of 2011. The main purpose of making this amendment to the Indian Constitution was to give constitutional recognition and protection to cooperative societies. With 97th Amendment Act of 2011, three things were added to the Indian Constitution. Number 1. The word cooperative society was added to Article 19 Clause 1 Subclause C of Part 3, that is fundamental rights. According to this article, every citizen has right to form associations, unions or cooperative societies. This word cooperative society was added by 97th Amendment Act of 2011. Number 2. Article 43B was added to Part 4 of the Indian Constitution as new dpsp. And number 3, a new part, that is Part 9B, was added to the Indian Constitution. And this part was entitled as the Cooperative Societies. So the 97th Amendment Act of 2011 was all about cooperative societies. We have already discussed Article 19 in one of our videos of fundamental rights. If you want to see that video, then the link is given in the description box. In this video, we will discuss Article 43B and we will also discuss status of 97th Amendment Act in present time with respect to Part 9B. Now, Article 43B talks about promotion of cooperative societies. It says, the state shall endeavour to promote voluntary formation, autonomous functioning, democratic control and professional management of cooperative societies. Before simplifying this statement, you must know that what exactly is cooperative society. In simple words, a cooperative society is an organization run by the people and for the people of same class who come together with the intention to fulfill their economic, social and cultural needs. This is kind of providing mutual help to each other. So the main aim of creating cooperative society is helping each member and working towards their welfare. Cooperative societies exist in different sectors like banking, housing, marketing, agriculture, manufacturing, healthcare, etc. If we talk about some examples, so Amul, Lijjat Papad, Apna Bazaar, Bharat Cooperative Bank, etc. are the cooperative societies that exist in India. So, according to this article, it is the duty of the state to promote cooperative societies which are formed by one's own choice, self-governed, democratically controlled, means members of the cooperative society will elect their representative and which are professionally managed. So a state will promote such cooperative societies. So that was about Article 43B, that is promotion of cooperative societies. Now, apart from this, there is one more thing that we need to understand about. As we saw a while back that Article 43B was added by 97th Amendment Act of 2011. With this amendment, the word cooperative society was inserted in Article 19 Clause 1 Subclause C, and also Part 9B was added in the Indian Constitution. 97th Amendment Act was passed in December 2011 to give constitutional recognition to cooperative societies, and it came into force from Feb 15, 2012. But this amendment, that is 97th Amendment Act of 2011, was declared unconstitutional by the Supreme Court on 20th July 2021. Now, why did this happen and how did this happen is the matter of discussion. Let's understand this. 7th schedule of the Indian Constitution defines allocation of powers between the centre and states. It contains 3 lists: union list, state list, and concurrent list. The subject on which only Parliament can make laws, they are in the union list. The subjects on which only state legislature can make laws, they are in the state list. And the subjects on which both Parliament and state legislature can make laws, they are in the concurrent list. Now, the subject of cooperative societies falls within the second list, that is state list. So only state legislature has power to make laws for cooperative societies. But according to Article 368 Clause 2 of the Indian Constitution, if Parliament has to make any law on any of the subjects related to the state list, then Parliament has to take ratification, means approval, from at least half of the total states of India. Got it? Now let's come to the problem part. Why 97th Amendment Act was declared unconstitutional? As you all know, 97th Amendment Act of 2011 was all about cooperative societies, which is a state list matter. But when Parliament passed 97th Amendment Act of 2011, it didn't take ratification of the states, which was a violation of Article 368 Clause 2. Although Parliament has power to make amendments and laws, but if it is state list matter, the Parliament has to get at least half of the total states' approval, which didn't happen in 97th Amendment. So in September 2012, Rajendra N. Shah filed a PIL before Gujarat High Court against 97th Amendment Act of 2011. And then in the year 2013, Gujarat High Court gave its decision and held that Centre cannot enact laws with regard to cooperative societies as it is a state subject. With this decision, Gujarat High Court declared 97th Amendment Act of 2011 partially unconstitutional. Partially means Gujarat High Court struck down only Part 9B of the Indian Constitution. The other two changes, like insertion of the word cooperative society in Article 19 and insertion of Article 43B in Part 4, was declared valid by the Gujarat High Court. After this decision, the Government of India challenged the decision of Gujarat High Court in the Supreme Court. And then after years of discussion, the Supreme Court of India gave its final decision on 20th July 2021 and upheld the decision of Gujarat High Court. Supreme Court of India said that only those provisions of Part 9b will be declared null and void which are violating the basic structure of the Indian Constitution. This means the whole Part 9b will not be declared unconstitutional. For that, Supreme Court divided Part 9b into 3 sections. Number 1. All those articles and provisions which deal with the state cooperative society will be struck down. Number 2. All those articles and provisions which deal with Union Territory Cooperative Society will remain valid. Since the area which come under the Union Territory, their decision will always be taken by the centre. And number 3. All those articles and provisions which deal with the multi-state cooperative society will also remain valid. Multi-state cooperative societies are those societies which are formed by more than one state. So in such case, decision will always be taken by the centre. So the conclusion of this whole argument was that Article 19 will be valid, Article 43B will be valid, articles dealing with Union Territories Cooperative Societies will be valid, articles dealing with multi-state cooperative society will also be valid. Only those articles which deal with state cooperative societies will be struck down. Because this section of Part 9b required state ratification, which didn't happen in the 97th Amendment Act, and this violated the provision of Article 368 Clause 2. So this was the full story of Article 43B as well as 97th Amendment Act of 2011. I'll see you in the next video with another topic. If you have any question regarding this topic, do let me know in the comments section. And of course, a single comment from you guys keeps me motivated to work hard further. So please keep supporting me so that I can make more and more videos for you guys with same enthusiasm every time. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, thank you so much for watching this video.